Hi everyone, welcome to Frozen Skills. I'm Esther and today I'm going to show you an off-ice exercise, especially for those of you who tend to fall out of their camel spins. Now, the reason why people tend to fall out of their camel spins has mostly to do with the hips. Now, the hips are a heavy part of the body and it's important to place them correctly. I'm going to show you the bar. When your hips are horizontally placed like this, then your weight is not completely over your skating foot. So you're going to likely fall out like this. What you need to do is you need to stack your hips onto each other like so. Now you're balanced completely on your skating foot. And to do this, it's important that you keep the knee of your free foot, keep it pointing to the side. So instead of it pointing down, look at my hips, what's going on. If I point my knee down, my hip goes down and that's when I'll fall out. So what you need to do is you need to turn your knee to the side and then your hip will also be up. Now my hips are stacked and I can keep my camel position while I'm spinning. Of course, this is not easy to do while you're spinning. So that's why we're going to do this off-ice exercise now. This may help you to be able better to keep this position while spinning. So I'm going to put this away. What you need is a little bit of space, preferably a floor that's a little, slides a little, and a pair of sneakers, maybe some comfortable clothes. And when you're set, let's do this. What we're first going to do is go into our camel spin. We're going to do this with our knee bent. You need to bend your knee for this. Make sure your hips are stacked, your knee points to the side. Now we're going to make little hops. You're going to lift up your knee a little or your heel a little. And while you lift up your heel, you're going to make a little turn on the ball of your foot, like this. And now try to keep your hips stacked while hopping. Try to keep them stacked. So we're done. I'm going to do the other side. Now you will notice that my free leg is not totally horizontal. It's not totally the position you will have in a camel spin, and that's okay. This exercise can be quite hard. This is not really easy to do. The main thing is to keep your hips stacked and keep your the knee of your free leg pointed sideways. That's the main thing. So this and hop. And hop, and hop, and hop, and hop, and hop, and hop. Okay, so that's the exercise. I'm going to show you what happens. I'm going to zoom in on my foot a little. So stay in your knee, and every time you make the hop, you go out of your knee a little, and then you turn, and then you turn on the ball of your foot. Turn on the ball of your foot. That's how you do it. That was it for today. Now if you practice this regularly, it can really improve your camel spin. If you liked this video, please leave a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos like this, then please subscribe to the channel. If you have tried this exercise, please let me know in the comments below if it has been helpful for you. And if there are other figure skating issues you'd like me to address, then please also let me know in the comment box below. And thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye!